Hey tubers!
Twitching Hill Earthship, update number 15. It's August, and
We've got our windows in and we've got the front gutter up.
we've got 3 panels closed off in copper, which we're very excited about because that's going to change over time and hopefully go different colours and look awesome. So we'll just take you down the end because we've got a bit of artwork done on the downpipe. So it's quite funky, quite excited about it, and it's lovely. As you can tell, it's very echoey in here now. And Tristan's very quiet. As you can see here, we've put in the downpipe. Tristan designed it and did all the work, and it's tucked behind the mullion, so it looks nice and neat. And that's where we're at.